Hello and welcome everyone. In today's video, we are going to discuss about an interesting topic, and that is type of motors used in electric drives. We'll explore various types of motors. So let's begin. Let me tell you guys that electric motor drives are electronic devices that control the speed, torque, and direction of electric motors. They convert electrical energy into mechanical energy by controlling the current and voltage supplied to the motor. Electric motor drives are used in a variety of applications, including industrial machinery, electric vehicle, and household appliances. Now let us go through each one. What type of electric motors are there? The types of motors used in electric drives are DC series motor, DC shunt motor, cumulative compound DC motor, slip ring induction motor, squirrel cage induction motor, double squirrel cage induction motor, three-phase synchronous motor, single-phase synchronous motor, single-phase AC series motor, repulsion motor, capacitor start induction-run motor, and finally there's capacitor start capacitor run motor. Now let's take in detail the applications of each of these motors and what are they. Firstly, we'll go through DC series motor. A DC series motor is an electric motor where the field winding and the armature winding are connected in series. This results in high starting torque and variable speed control. DC series motors are used in applications where high starting torque is needed, such as in electric locomotives, cranes, and hoists. These motors have a relatively simple construction and can be easily controlled by adjusting the amount of current flowing through them. Now, we'll see DC shunt motor. A DC shunt motor is an electric motor where the field winding and the armature winding are connected in parallel. This configuration provides a relatively constant speed and moderate starting torque. Applications of DC shunt motors are that they are used for nearly constant speed applications such as for driving constant lines, shafts, lathe machines, vacuum cleaners, washing machines, elevators, and conveyors, grinders, small printing presses also. Next is cumulative compound DC motor. A cumulative compound DC motor is an electric motor that has both the series and shunt windings in the field. This provides high starting torque and a relatively constant speed. Applications of cumulative compound DC motors are used for driving compressors, centrifugal pumps, shearing machines, elevators, continuous conveyors, circular saws, rotatory presses, and etc. Another motor is slip ring induction motor. A slip ring induction motor is an AC motor with a wound rotor that has slip rings. External resistance can be connected to rotor through these slip rings, which provides high starting torque. Slip ring induction motor has a large overload capacity. Also, the speed of this slip ring induction motor can be changed up to 50% of its normal speed. Applications of this slip ring induction motors are widely used in for electric drives which require high starting and wide range of speed control, such as elevators, compressors, lifts, shafts, pumps, winding machines, printing presses, and etc. There is squirrel cage induction motor. It is a motor that is an AC motor that has a rotor with copper or aluminium bars that are short circuited by end rings. This creates a magnetic field that rotates the motor. Squirrel cage induction motor is rugged and has high overloaded capacity. This motor has nearly constant speed, however, it has poor starting torque. Applications of squirrel cage induction motors are used in low and medium power drivers where speed control is not required, such as water pumps, lathe machines, grinders and drill machines, wood planer, fans, blowers, and compressors. Now, we'll see about double squirrel cage induction motor. A double squirrel cage induction motor is similar to a squirrel cage induction motor but has two sets of rotor bars. This provides higher starting torque and lower starting current than a squirrel cage induction motor. Double squirrel cage induction motor has high starting torque, large overloaded capacity, and nearly constant speed. The applications of double squirrel cage induction motors are used for electric drives which require high starting torque, such as compressor pumps, crushers, boring mills, cranes, punches, and lathe machines. The next type of motor is three-phase synchronous motor. A three-phase synchronous motor is an AC motor that has a starter and sorry for the mistake, it's stator and a rotor that are magnetically locked. This creates a constant speed that is synchronized with the power supply. Means three-phase synchronous motor has constant speed under varying loads. The applications of three-phase synchronous motors are used for electric drives where continuous constant speed is required, such as air compressors, motor generator sets. In the electric drives used in paper and cement industries, and also in continuous rolling mills. There is another motor named single phase synchronous motor. This motor is similar to a three-phase synchronous motor. Single-phase synchronous motor has a constant speed that is as same as it. The applications of single-phase synchronous motors are widely used in timing devices, clocks, teleprinters, recording devices, sound recording, and reproducing systems, and all. Now comes single phase AC series motor. This motor is an AC motor where the field winding and the armature winding are connected in series. This provides high starting torque. Single phase AC series motor has high starting torque and speed control over a wide range. The applications of single phase AC series motor is used for driving small electrical appliances such as vacuum cleaners and refrigerators. Another interesting motor is repulsion motor. It is an AC motor that has a stator and a rotor that are connected in parallel. The rotor has brushes that make contact with the commutator, similar to a DC motor. Repulsion motor has high starting torque and a wide range of speed control. Also, it has high speed at high loads. The applications of repulsion motor are used for electric drives which require large starting torque and constant speed that is adjustable, such as in coil winding machines. Then there's a motor named capacitor start induction run motor. It is a motor that is an AC motor that has a capacitor that provides an initial phase shift to the current. Capacitor start run induction run motor has moderately high starting torque and nearly constant speed. In this motor, speed control is not possible. The applications of capacitor start induction run motor is used that it is used in refrigerators, compressors, small hoists, and etc. The last one is capacitor start capacitor run motor. It is a motor which is similar to a capacitor start induction run motor but has two capacitors. Capacitor run motor has moderately high starting torque and fairly constant speed. However, it has a better power factor and high efficiency. The applications of capacitor run motors are widely used in electric drives which require quiet operations. It is commonly used in applications such as pumps and compressors. And this was all about the types of motors and details about it. Thanks for watching and see you in the next video. Till then, bye bye.